Here is an example of how to create a vacuum truck with custom accessory mounted on a chassis. Step 1. Select a default truck. Select a straight truck. Step 2. Enter truck dimensions and tier weights. Select unit from the side menu, then edit. Enter a tractor ID. Then, select a truck type. And enter all the required data that correspond to the figure below. Note that you can right-click in the box to enter dimensions in feet inches. Now enter the tier weight of each axle group on the unit. Then, click Finish. Step 3, add additional single axle. Select an axle group type and enter all the required data. If you do not know the value of running gear weight, leave the default value as is. You can configure the max payload by clicking the corresponding button on the right top corner. Enter the max gross vehicle weight, then the max desired load on each axle group of the vehicle. The software then calculates the maximum weight this vehicle can carry, as well as its position of the center of gravity. To calculate the max payload based on weight rating, click Payload Analysis on the right top corner, enter weight rating of the vehicle, as well as each of its axle groups. The software will calculate the allowable payload based on weight ratings. Step 4, add equipment to the chassis. Select accessory from the side menu, then add. Select the shape of the accessory. Enter a name, and all the required data which correspond to the figure below. Again, you can right-click in the box to enter dimensions in feet inches. Note that there is a violation on axle group 1 with the current position of the accessory. We can then drag the accessory with the mouse or the arrows on the keyboard to readjust its position for a better result. A vacuum truck in real life has more than one accessory. Let's add more accessories to replicate that. Reconfigure weight rating. Then the software will recalculate the allowable payload. We can also apply custom look to the accessories. We will cover how the custom looks are created with another tutorial. Click Dimension View on the top menu for more details on the axle loads. We can also preview the report that the software generates. That includes details on the axle loads. Maximum payload. Accessory description table, payload analysis. Vehicle weight and center of gravity. US bridge formula. The reports varies depending on the components and the configurations. For more information on our product, visit www.loadxpert.com. Thank you for watching.